I had a really fun day today.
Yeah. Come on, girl. That's just every day with me.
You're funny as well, you know.
So, what's the plan now?
Maybe we can go to my apartment and.
Hello, Baba.
Oi, come home now. The Wi-Fi isn't working.
Alright, I'll come. But why'd you have to call me now?
What in the emo ringtone is that?
Nah.
Right. I'm gonna go.
Do you still want me to come to your apartment?
Hell nah. With that ringtone? You can stay in your car and go help your dad.
Wait! Fuck's sake! Why'd you have to call me now? Oh! You. Yeah, you. I'm talking to you. Why are you not subscribed? Huh? Why can't you just subscribe? You enjoy watching my content, so why don't you subscribe? Subscribe, bro. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah. Why am I doing this outro? I don't know. Just why not? Just want to say hi to you guys. I need to see how you're doing, you know? But yeah, that's it really. There's going to be more content coming soon, even better content, so stay tuned. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a good day. Subscribe.